Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of my channel. Here we'll be diving into DIY projects and making tools to make your life much easier. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY drill press. Actually, I made it for about 3 years ago. I'm really happy with this. It is rock solid and can drill into thick metal sheets without any vibration. I made many tools with this, like a massive CNC, a milling CNC machine. It is very rock solid. All right, let's get into how to make this handy equipment. It consists of a 50 by 50 millimeter steel tubing as main body with 40 by 40 millimeter tubings, steel tubings. Here we have linear guides. I actually used cheap Chinese linear guides and happy with them. I use them with no problem and still I'm really happy with them. Here is the main head of the equipment. And I use these springs for easier use of this drill press, like this. Okay, it is the main drill head assembly. Okay, for making this drill press, we need to first make and weld the main body. In main body, we first weld working table, then we weld the main column. Make sure main column is perpendicular to the working table. After welding this column to the working table, you should assemble linear guides. After attaching linear guides, we need to make the main drill head, which is this. All right, for making the main drill head, first we need to cut these metal plates, drill some holes on them, and attach them to the linear blocks, like this. For example, you attach this plate to these blocks, and this block, and you need to weld the remainder of this assembly. For making this part, you need to cut a 50 by 50 millimeter steel tubing with 3 of 20 by 40 millimeter steel tubing. You need 3 of this. And a steel pipe with diameter of 50 millimeter. Also, you need 4 pieces of these nuts, which are 8 millimeter nuts. For this plate, just ignore it. It's just useless. You can ignore it. For welding these nuts to the steel tubing, align nuts together and weld them to the steel pipe. Make sure one of the nuts does not have any threads. You can use drill bits to flatten these nuts. And finally, we have something like this. Okay. After welding this stuff together, we have main head. When you made main head, you should attach your drill into it, like this. Tighten the screws and insert a new drill bit into your drill, for example 10 millimeter or larger. Okay, when you're done, you should clamp this tubing into these plates. Suppose we attached these plates to the linear block, something like this. And now we should clamp these tubings to the plates, to these plates, like this. Okay, when you clamp this tubing to this plate, you should make sure this drill bit is perpendicular to the working table in this direction and this direction. When you are happy with the alignment, you can weld these spots together, weld this tubing to this plate, and you're done. For making this drill press much easier to use, I installed these springs to the main head, and for holding drill vise and work pieces in place, I made this stuff. It's very simple. Okay, this consists of just two tubings, so simple. You can use something like this. And you can use this handle for convenient use of this drill press. And for dimensions, it is about 55 centimeters by 35 centimeters, and with height of about 80 centimeters. Height of the working table is around 15 centimeters. I think these dimensions are very good. I'm really happy with them. And it is very convenient to use, but if you have enough space, you can make it a little larger, but it is very okay. And now let's test the workpiece. And this is the result. And for better organization of your drill bits, you can use something like this. You can cut some steel tubings in different heights and weld them together like this. It is very convenient, very easy to build. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful for yourself, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share your comments with us. And if you'd like to see me building another improved version of this drill press from scratch, just tell me in the comments. And thanks for watching. Bye.